Hey guys, welcome back to Upstate Bow Hunter. This is the 25th of April. I cleared about 750 yards of trails yesterday. No equipment, had to do by hand, which wasn't too bad. Had to move some logs and branches and reroute some trails, but I'm going to take this out today, show you how it works. Alright, let's head out to the woods. Well, it's June 22nd. I've used my cutter for a few months now in the woods cutting the trails. Did a pretty good job. I think I got to sharpen the blades though. I had it set at 4 inches. I think over the winter I'm actually going to put in and make it adjustable so I can get down a little lower. Had a few mishaps. Smacked a tree, popped the belt, smoked a little bit, but I was able to fix that. And the kill switch actually got tangled up on my boom sprayer extension, so pretty much I have to take off my boom sprayer extension in order to use it, but I have an extra tow hitch that makes it lengthen out a little bit. I think that's going to alleviate the issue. Other than that, it's been running pretty good. Mows like it should. Like I said, over the winter I'll probably end up just utilizing some steel that I've got to make it adjustable. I have to get a new pulley for the deck so I can adjust the height. Right now I've got one that's pretty much set in stone to keep it level. But yeah, I don't know if you can see behind me, but I've got a 1/4 acre food plot that I'm working on. I'll be putting to seed in August. I'm going to do winter rye and just real light oats, and hopefully it'll bring in something good this year. I got a few cameras out there. I do have some deer on camera. I moved my licking branch that I had out back up front. Actually, I'm going to take another one. I got some vines out there about 3/4 inch that I'm going to move in a few other spots near my stands that I have set up, either in my wife's ladder stands or my climbing areas. But yeah, I'll see if I can get a video of it from here. I do have some drone video that I'll be posting on a video for the plot. And then I'm also building a trailer to go behind my four-wheeler so I can pull my decking out in the woods for some interior bridges. And if I shoot a deer this year, I go out with that, just throw it on the back of that instead of trying to throw it on the back of my four-wheeler. And basically it's a wave runner trailer that I'm going to modify. I'm going to instead of where it comes out to a point. I'm going to square it off, build uprights in areas where I can put ratchet straps or whatever else on there. So we'll show you the food plot and pick the camera up. Maybe it'll get a little bit of it. Well, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my videos, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome. Throw me a like, that'd be cool. And God bless, and hopefully you guys have some happy hunting this year and put that buck you're after down on the ground.